Hey guys, it's the big day. We're here at Costa Custom Boats at the factory to see the boat come out of the mold. So walking through, when you get into the factory here, you got a little area where everyone kind of has their lunch. They got some of the offices and whatnot. But right when you come in, this is the final assembly line. So you have all your rigging and stuff that's going on where they're doing all the tops, electronics, all your final stuff before it's done. And we're gonna walk through, the whole process of how the boats are built and see the different processes to how these boats are getting pushed down the line. Normally there would be a lot of boats out here because it's Christmas, so they're trying to push a lot of boats out. So they've got a lot of customers they just finished up, and there's also a couple that are out for sea trials right now too. So normally this would be full of boats right now for final rigging. You can see over here the new 39, first one with a tower. That's gonna be really cool. I mean, really beast of a boat, man. And you can see also the building is kind of sectioned to where everything goes through a whole process to where you have the boats from the back of the building come out of the mold and get pushed forward throughout each process. You can see they got another 39 over here that's coming through the process, about to get its liner and cap, and then it'll make its way to final rigging up front. You can see they do a fantastic job. Just the detail, making sure everything's perfect. Got a lot of really good guys doing this stuff. Too, they hand lay all the fiberglass too, so it's really paid close attention to. I mean, 39, that thing is huge. You can see over here too, they got a 34 sitting there, getting ready to get a liner put in. And I'll give you guys the first little sneak peek. If you look right down there, there's the mold. And she's about to get lifted out. Stay tuned. But back here is where our new child is sleeping, about ready to come out of the mold. So we're gonna get with the Costa team and get them to get ready to go. Everyone's really amped and excited to see it come out, so stay tuned for that.
Excited? Oh, that's sick.
Congratulations.
Yeah. He's speechless.
The anticipation's killing me. Riley, nice to meet you.
Very nice
Hi.
to meet you. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Look at that. Boom.
Yeah, I mean, you can actually make out the gray on this side. It looks black over there.
Uh-huh.
You can see it, really. Obviously, the red reflection. She's already on fire. Fire.
Dude. Yeah. Huh?
You like the dark ones, don't you?
Shark gray.
Are y'all ready to come forward? All right, same time, you guys got to move.
The last one was dark gray too, wasn't it? Yeah. Just a different shade. No, same.
Same shade?
Yeah, shark gray.
You got that boat fitted out real nice. I like the way that one looked.
Yep.
Sometimes, you know, the hull looks real good, and then they finish with the interior, and you're like, I guess it's all right.
Yeah, this one's gonna be pretty badass. We're doing 3-color interior.
Right.
It's gonna be white, shark gray, and red piping.
Oh, see,
and we're doing
I like gray and red a lot.
Yeah.
I hate the color red, but the gray and red always looks so good.
Yeah, and then we're putting 500s on it.
I saw that on the build show. Oh boy, this thing's gonna be a rocket.
She's alive. Damn. Put a bow flare on that thing. Woo!
Front loungers.
What is this one?
The front loungers, the front seating.
Uh-huh.
So that gets bonded up on the whole side, right? And your cushion, your upholstery goes in there. You got a little toe trick deal that goes around so you stub your toe. That's for the forward seating.
So this is like one of the corners.
Yeah, up front, so it makes that U shape.
Okay, sweet.
We've insulated it too. We're gonna have 5 port on it also. Everything's big floor, but we
Cool, so you can actually have, so the corner pieces will actually have a cooler where you can, that's kind of neat. I didn't know that. So this is one of the pieces to the lounger up front for the dinette area that's up front in the forward part of the boat. So this is like a corner. And they're gonna insulate this on either side. So basically when you're up there having dinner or cruising around, this will be a cooler that you can quickly just grab a drink out of instead of having to get up onto the other lounger.
We could probably even put a bit extra live. Check out that rear facing mezzanine seat. So here's your tub for that thing, all insulated. I think you're getting a chill plate on it, I believe.
Yep, so we're gonna do a chill plate in the mezzanine seat. So this is the underneath that mezzanine seat tub where you'll have a cooler there. So this will have a chill plate in it to where it'll be either a freezer or a fridge. And then this is the actual leaning post, right?
Yep.
And then this is the leaning post that flips upside down to where this will have the seat on this flip side. So it's actually upside down right now.
Yeah, so
But if this was flipped right side up, this is where you'd be sitting. This would be your mezzanine seat. So that cooler would be right here, and there will be a cushion here, and then right here would be the seat back that folds forward to reveal all your tackle storage. Yeah, so we'll look at the live wells in the back here too, because those look huge. So crazy to see like how everything's like literally all hand laid.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, those live wells definitely look way bigger than the 26. You said we can use these as like trash cans?
Trash can, tuna tubes, I mean, you name it, right? Extra storage, dock lines.
It would be kind of nice actually where you just have the little designated area for like a couple fenders or a couple lines just for your stern or whatnot. And you know, if you have a bunch of grain people on the boat and whatnot, they don't know where to put stuff.
So
trash bin.
Yeah, or trash bin, whatever.
Super cool.
Okay. The floor here, so that shows you like how
And we'll still have a ladder coming out the
Yep.
transom here.
Yep.
Is that a pull-out ladder still, or is it a attachable one?
Pull out.
A pull-out ladder, cool. Awesome. Well, thanks, Sean, for
Yes,
bringing us
sir.
through the whole process,
Yes,
man.
sir.
So always cool to see and go through this.
Christmas
It's our second
came
time
early.
now that we've had to do this.
Yeah.
So it's
Christmas
super
came
fun.
early for you today.
Yeah.
Yeah, your
what a
hardtop-
Christmas present to see the new boat come out of the mold. So
Your hardtop's done too. I think that's over in finishing right now. So
right.
It's all coming together. It'll be together before you know it.
Absolutely. We appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned throughout the whole process. We're gonna shoot how the boat gets built throughout the process and everything. So it's gonna be really cool to watch. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys.